Hey everybody, hi, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate the support. If you're new, I'm Laura. Xena is the brown puppy dog. Wyatt is the white puppy dog, and we're so happy you're here and hope you stick around and hit that subscribe. Today, since it is Christmas Eve, I thought we would do something fun. I have the puppers bark boxes here for December, so I thought we'd do a quick opening of that just for some laughs, because that's always a fun one, right? I have some happy mail I wanted to share with you. I also have a gift from Luisa I wanted to share, and I have some channel changes coming up in 2022 I wanted to let you know about. Let's get right into it. All right, so first up, you want to do the puppers and get them excited. I have them all decked out in their Christmas scarves that were a gift from White House Black Market, and they are so cute, so very soft, and they don't seem to mind having them on, even Xena, who's giving me her back right now. It's been a crazy day, as it is. I'm going to post this tomorrow, which is Christmas Eve, so it's Christmas Eve. And I'm running around trying to button everything up to get ready. So they're not used to me kind of not just sitting in my office talking nonstop on video calls. So they're like, what's up today? Had to get a Starbucks. Am I running around too? Which I like chai tea, so that's what that is. So we're going to get right to it. If you are not familiar with BarkBox, it is a subscription for dogs. The price is based on the size of your dog. So for Wyatt's size, it's only $21 a month. Wyatt knows now that this is for him. And it comes monthly. It usually has 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, plus an extra treat. You can always add add-ons. And my dogs absolutely love this. Oh, is this cute? All right, so this is, before Wyatt digs right in, let me show you. This is the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer theme. And look, I got Rudolph. I'm so excited. This is adorable. There's always a theme. Xena hasn't figured it out yet. Xena's hearing is going a little bit too, so she might not catch on quite as quickly. This is adorable. So we also got Bumble. It says, this adorable snow monster just wants a hug and a stretch and a squeak, maybe a little wrestling. Don't be alarmed by his gassy grunts. That's just his deep squeaky voice. And this one is it says long and strong hair, grunt squeaker, whip and flip limbs, and a bungee all in one. So he is cute. Little snow. He does have a squeaker in here somewhere. Where's the squeaker, Wyatt? Or maybe it's, now it's getting the toys out. So it does have there's the squeaker, but it's not very loud. Okay. It's over here, buddy. Come over here. Look, come over here. All right. They always love these. They have so much fun with these. So I also got chicken stick recipe for dogs. This also came in. Xena's totally missing out. Zizi. Xena. Look how cute Rudolph is. Is that not adorable? I love it. And this one says, run in Rudolph. And Rudolph hereby invites your dog to the reindeer games. Give him a chomp, a squeak, or a toss. If you really want to see him fly, tell him he's cute. Crazy crinkle, squeaker, whip and flip limbs, and long and strong hair. And it just, means you can play with the limbs and everything. Look at his little tail. Oh, and I love his little antlers. He's so cute. Xena is totally missing out, huh? She doesn't even realize this is happening. Xena. Zizi. Look. Is she mad at us? Okay, here. She doesn't even know what's happening. Oh, all right, then we also have Dolly's Delights turkey recipe. And Jingle Jingle Jerky sweet recipe with sweet potato. It's probably just as well as Xena doesn't even know what's going on, because then she'd just start barking. So 3 bags of treats. Here's some other cute little toys that could have come in it. You could have got old Kris Kringle, so you could have gotten Santa. And then there's also, we got Bumble here. There was also Bumble Bounce, so just a little ball. The little spotted elephant, how cute is that? And there's a little elf here. And King Moon Racer, it's a little lion. Very, very cute. It says, celebrate this Christmassy time of year with the most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Join your friends from the legendary holiday special for an exclusive invite to the reindeer games. Excuse us, rain dog games. Even if you and your pup are a couple of misfits, you'll always fit in together. So share the season with a holly jolly box of toys, treats, and togetherness. Very cute. I love it. I'll put the information down below in case you want to check out BarkBox, but it's always fun. I'm not sure why Zena's just not even engaging. All right. You're good, buddy. You're good. You play with your toys. You want me to cut that off for you? Wyatt loves the toys so much. It's like his favorite thing. So he's as happy as can be just playing with toys. Did you just realize what was happening, Z? Look at her face. I think she like just figured out she's missed in something. Zena does have fear of missing out terribly, but we're done now, babe. You missed it. All right, so next I wanted to share a gift that I got from Ana Luisa. I love this. I was surprised, didn't know it was coming. I've been working with Ana Luisa for probably at least 2 years now. I love that company. You've seen many hauls that I've shared of their products. And they sent this at the end of, I just got it this week. Look how pretty this set is. And I'm going to try this on for you. I think this is so, so pretty. So the necklace and the little huggy earrings. This is actually called the Elise gift set. I did find it online so I could share it with you, and I will link it down below because this would make a perfect gift. So if you need an after Christmas gift because it's already, you know, probably too late to get it now, or Valentine's or birthday or anniversary or something, this would be a perfect gift. I love this. It is $110, but it is on sale right now for $90. I'll put my discount code down below as well. It's for 10%, so hopefully that would work also. So, so pretty, right? I was really impressed with it when I got it. I love the sparkle in this. Just simply gorgeous. Such a nice surprise. Such a nice surprise. And then I'm going to put this on for you right now, so let me do that. Okay, so I have one of the earrings in. I have the necklace on. I wanted to show you how the earring works, so it just pulls right back. Has that little flexible little back. And I'm going to put this one in. The necklace has the typical lobster clasp. Easy to use, easy with my fingernails, so keep that in mind. I struggle sometimes. This one was really easy to put on, and it has several lengths. You can make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. So very, very pretty, delicate, dainty. I absolutely love it. I think this is stunning. Hopefully you can see that really well. So pretty. This would make for such a great gift, but also perfect for you. So a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sending this to me. They have so many things. If you haven't checked out their website, I'll put all that information down below so you can, because they have so many things on their site that I think you would love. So Wyatt is enjoying his toy. I hope that that's not bothering you, but since I did share it with him, maybe I should have saved that for the last, huh? He's enjoying that. Luckily, it's not squeaking. All right. I also wanted to share some amazing happy mail that I got. I got several cards from people as a Christmas cards, if I can get the words out, Christmas cards. I'm just going to share the front of the cards. You all know who you are. I won't call out names in case you don't want me to. So thank you so very much for the amazing support, the kind words, the encouragement, all the amazing things this year. I so appreciate it. Just a huge, huge thank you. Look at this pretty card. Thank you. Thank you. It means so much to me. Here's another one. And I have one more card I want to just share and say thank you. Thank you, thank you. They mean so much to me. It's always such a joy when I go to my P.O. box and there's something there waiting for me. So I love, love, love the Happy Mail, and I so appreciate all of you who took the time to actually send it to me. So a huge thank you. I have one package here that I want to share as well. And this is so generous. Such a huge thank you. Check this out. This also came with a card. I'm not going to call out who sent it to me, but it is one of my amazing subscribers. Check out this. Is this not the most beautiful card at the beach? I love it. Gorgeous. And she wrote me a very long note, and she has been such an amazing subscriber for so long. And she sent me an entire box of goodies here. So I want to share it. First of all, she sent, for the sidekicks, hip and joint snack stick. So how thoughtful is that? Knowing that that'll be great for Zena. Wyatt knows now that this is probably for him. He's picked up on that. So it helps support hip and joint health with glucosamine and chondroitin. So this is awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's just the beginning. I also got Cranberry Crunch biscuits. So these look amazing. This is by Farmhouse Biscuits. These look amazing. Cool. So little cookies that will be perfect with my tea. Check these out. If I open them now, I'll just start eating them. But they basically have, yeah, all the good things. They even have cranberries in them. So I'm excited to try these. Next up, soap, and this is White Waves. So this is a Bath and Body White Waves Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. And it's blue, so it goes with my house, so it's perfect. Then I got this adorable measuring tape. How pretty is this? Perfect. I'm always reaching for one of these. I don't know about you guys, but I always need this for something. So this is perfect. Keep it in my drawer because I always, always need one of these. So I don't know how she knew, but this is perfect. And then she sent me tea, which you guys all know I love. So this is 12 Pyramid tea bags, and this is from the Pyramid collection. Check these out. And there's all different teas in here. So I got Earl Grey, Rooibos Pomegranate, English Breakfast, Jasmine Orange, all different kinds of tea in here. So I can't wait to try these. Perfect to start my day. And last but not least, yes, this is a Tiffany box. Wyatt's watching me. I think he thinks it's another thing for him, huh? You think it's for you, buddy? Oh, it's a little and sign, ampersand. Is that what it's called? Ampersand? It says Tiffany and Company on it. Look how pretty that is. Like a little paperweight. How pretty is that? In glass. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love it. This was so generous. I so appreciate it. And I'm so thankful and humbled. So thank you, thank you, thank you for all the love, all the support, all the kindness, all the amazing comments. this whole year. Thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you for the amazing gifts. Thank you for the cards. I so, so, so appreciate it. All right, and with all of that, I do have, I want to talk about some channel changes coming in 2022. I think starting in 2022, I do need to make some slight changes. I need to mix it up a little bit. We need to talk about that. So I think, Wyatt's going to try to get into my box. I think you all know by now that I do have a full-time job. YouTube is not my full-time job, and it's been getting a little bit crazier. I have some additional responsibilities, and I work a lot of hours on my full-time job. And I generally do a lot of my filming, or try to do pretty much all of my filming on the weekends. And that also takes quite a bit of time, especially with me trying to bring you, or I have been bringing you, a video each and every day. Wyatt, all right, you're making noise. So what I've decided, in order to be able to continue to do my channel as well as continue to keep my job is that I'm going to have to probably not do a video each and every day. So what I think we're going to do in the new year is start off with just not doing videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we'll still be doing 5 videos a week to start. And just not be posting on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hopefully my content is going to get a little bit more robust, and I won't be posting maybe just the shorter videos. So I'm going to try to start combining some things together. So hopefully I can still bring you just as much content. It just won't be broken out in so many pieces, if that makes sense. So I've been trying to do some of that this month. So you might have seen some of my boxes have started to get combined together. And I'm also going to try to bring you maybe some different content, potentially more style videos, and try to mix it up a little bit in the new year. So I hope that doesn't disappoint you. I still think 5 days a week is pretty good. So hopefully if you're busy and you miss a day, Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can get caught up. But I think it'll allow me to breathe a little bit, hopefully get a little bit more creative on the videos that I do bring you. So that's it for now. I'm going to hopefully spend the next week thinking a little bit more about how I want to handle my channel going forward. I have kind of hit a plateau right now as far as how it's growing, and I also want to spend some time thinking about that as well. It has been at a plateau for quite a bit now, and I need to think about how I want to handle that. So that's another one that potentially in the next year, I'm going to try to address and decide what I want to do. So thank you so much to all of you for all of the amazing support that you have shared with me over the course of the last many years, because I love my subscribers, and that is why I keep doing what I've been doing. Without you, this channel wouldn't exist, and it means the world to me. And that is why I want to make sure that I am true to you and true to me, and the content that I bring to you is the right content, and that I'm spending my time in the best way possible. Please do comment down below. Let me know what you think about these changes. I'm always open to all of your feedback, and I do read every single comment that you write. Thank you so much. I wish you a very, very happy holidays, peace, happiness, and lots of love. Until next time, bye everybody.